Good morning, students. How are you? Fine, very good. I'm also fine. So, today the date is 5th February 2021. Today the date is 5th February 2021. And today is Friday. What is day today? Friday. Our subject is English. So, in subject English, today I will tell you how you will write small cursive letter Y in your English notebook. Y sounds y. Y sounds y. Y sounds, all of you say y. And tell me, what is this? Yacht. Y for yacht. Y sounds y. Y. Yacht. What is this? Yacht. I am going to paste this picture here. Y for yacht. Okay, now in your English notebook you have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from third line you have to put dot. On third line you have to put dot like this. Right? Now put your pencil on dot, go upward like this in a slanting way and then go down and then you have to do like this and then straight line like this. This line will touch this pink one and then curve like this. Y sounds y. Y sounds y. Y. Yacht. Y. Yacht. Y. Yo-yo. What is yo-yo? Yo-yo is a game played by the small kids. Yo-yo. So I will show you the picture of yo-yo in your English notebook. So now I am to show you our English notebook. Let's start. So students, see this. This is your English notebook. This is small cursive letter Y. Here I have drawn a picture of yo-yo. You can draw any picture related to letter Y. Y for yo-yo, Y for yellow color, Y for yacht. Okay. Now, what you have to do on third line, 1, 2, 3. On third line you have to put dot. Do it by yourself. Don't take help of your parents while doing this work. So you will put the dot. After that, put your pencil on dot. You will go up and then down like this. And your formations should be correct. Formation कैसा होना चाहिए आपका? बिल्कुल ठीक होना चाहिए. So in this way you will write small cursive letter Y in your English notebook. Now I want to show you one page of your English book. So now look here, this is your English book, page number 61. Finger trace the letter Y and color it. This is letter small y, small letter Y. The letter you will write in your English notebook, that is cursive letter, but this letter is not in cursive. Y for yak, Y for yellow, Y for yacht. Okay, you have to trace your finger and then color in this letter. After that, enjoy the rhyme. Okay, so I'm going to read this rhyme. Listen carefully. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and round, you are the prettiest flower I found. Tall and straight, full of grace, I like the bright yellow face. So here you can picture of a yellow sunflower, and can you see this face? This is very pretty and bright. So again I'm going to read. Okay, read after me. Sunflower, sunflower, yellow and round, you are the prettiest flower I found. Tall and straight, full of grace, I like the bright yellow face. Okay. So watch this video, try to learn this rhyme also, complete this work, click the photographs, send it to me. Goodbye, take care of yourself.